Well, hello. Welcome back to 1030 S-Bill with me, Scott. I was pleasantly surprised to find a couple packages on my front doorstep when I got in yesterday. And they're from Simonini, which means new aircraft engine. Let's open it up. They're pretty wrapped up good. I think I ordered these motor about 3 weeks ago. Come from Italy, right from Italy last week. And then Rick at Fairfax Faircopters, who I bought from Rotax Rick, real nice gentleman. And he sent it out to me Monday, and let me see, it was here Wednesday, so a couple of days. Like somebody's bed they tore up and put in there. Oh yeah. That's a good looking motor right there. Good looking motor. Hope the carburetor's in the other box with the exhaust. This is a good looking motor right here. About 40 pounds or something, something like that. Got a nice looking starter, nice looking belt drive. Well made. I tell you what, all my favorite guns I have several. The best ones are all Italian, very nice made, very high quality. But he's got little rubber shock mounts already made into it. I'll be taking some of this stuff off. Well, that is awesome. Comes with a spark plug and everything. There's one bracket here is going to end up coming off. This thing was actually made, if you look on the website, to be upside down. But on this plane, it's going to sit upright. Let's see what's in this box now. Hopefully the exhaust and the carburetor. Part of the exhaust. Feel like a carburetor. Nice motor's manual. And put it in a protective sheath. I like that. That's what you call quality. By the way, this comes with a very nice. I don't know if we use this airbox or not. Comes with a very nice warranty, and Rick over at Faircopters doesn't even start the warranty until you start flying the plane, because he understands that when I'm building one like I am, that might be 3 months before I end up flying this thing. I don't know. You spare no expense in wrapping the stuff up. I really like that. Nice chrome, pretty heavy too. Some mounting hardware, very good. Let's see here. Yep, this is a carburetor. And not some cheap Chinese carburetor. Any Chinese people on here, I'm sorry, I'm going to tell you cheap, but this isn't some bargain carburetor. Nice. Cool, there's fuel on it, so 5/16 there. All right. Reminds me of cleaning a bear, when you're cutting through the fat in a bear. I don't know if you ever go clean one, but just like this, a big, spongy, much of layers. It's very similar. Pretty heavy exhaust. Now, of course, this was made to go upside down and this tuck under the front and all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to reconfigure how this goes. May have to reconfigure an angle or something. I don't know. We'll see what happens. And this is an air box, air filter, which I probably won't use, but we'll see what happens. Big and bulky. We need here's the spring for exhaust. That's like a rectifier. Fuel pump. Pump a spacer for the prop. Here's the air filter box, which is a nice air filter. I'm probably going to get a little cone shaped job. We'll see what happens. See what it looks like. Near future, I'll lay it up on a plane. You know what it looks like. I'll try to figure out where to go with what. I gotta figure out how far this prop's gonna stick out the front, so I can go ahead and do some measurements and get the fiberglass part on and all that. I don't know if you remember. Anyway, I'm a happy boy. Got an engine, and I got all my parts. In fact, I've got almost everything I need. I'm gonna go to the hardware store, get some nuts and bolts here and there. Maybe some more gloves or glue, I don't know. But pretty much all the parts are here. And I've been waiting a long time to say that. Going on not too far from a year. But thanks for watching. And guess what? It's a gorgeous day here today. It's going to be like 80 something, sunny, but with a little bit of a cool breeze. Couldn't ask for more. Hope you're having a blessed day, and I hope if you haven't lately, get on your knees and pray to God that you have a blessed day and see what happens. All right, thanks for tuning in. See you later.